nice man, forget how many Reese's peanut butter cups I have, I might be, I will give you a model that has a bone attached for you to name the muscles. Because the name of the muscles, you have to know which side of the head it's on. Is it a right or a left eye? Because remember, they would change. So let's do some easy ones. What do you call the muscle right on top of your eye? Superior rectus. On top, superior rectus to straighten. Okay? There'd be its partner directly underneath.
Inferior rectus.
Inferior rectus. Those two should match up. Now comes the harder one. This one here.
Lateral rectus.
Lateral rectus. How do we know that's the lateral rectus?
It's
Now here's my nose, here's my tear duct, here's my ear, so that's on the side of my head. That's why we have to know right from left, otherwise you can get the lateral medial flipped around. Right? So if this is my lateral rectus, there'll be one in here somewhere, on its opposite side. Medial rectus. So your first thing on the eye is figure out if it's a right or a left. Otherwise you're going to miss 2 points right away just by flipping those around. Okay, another thing to notice is that then there's also a few other muscles. There's this guy up here that comes to your nose, makes a U-turn, and goes in at an angle. So what do we call a guy at the top of your nose at angles? Superior oblique. That actually has a pulley called the trochlea. So the trochlear nerve you learned about runs him. Because it trochleads. It makes a bend. It's kind of cool. There actually is a pulley there made out of connective tissue. So we have one underneath, right here, that goes from your nose under your eye sideways. Inferior oblique. So you have basically the 4 directions and then 2 crookeds, which are superior and inferior oblique. So again, your first call is figure out if that's a right or a left eye, and then you'll be able to figure out which your orders are. Make sense? So you have your superior and inferior oblique on your nose, and then the 4 main ones. So let's do another one. Let's go down and do the sclera and all that fun stuff. Go back to my big eye.